Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Facebook videos on PC in 2026 and how to fix this. Let's get started. Now all you need to do is select the video which you don't want to download on your Facebook and then click on these three dots and then click on copy link. Now just go over to the new tab and paste the link and enter, and once it completes loading, what you need to do is click on the URL and remove https.www and then just type mbasic before facebook.com. Once you do this, hit enter and it will open like this. Now just click on the video and open it and then click on these three dots and then click on download. As you can see, it has started downloading. So yes, this is how you can do it guys if your problem still occurs. So make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.